Yeah, so this is the following day morning, and we just woke up from our tent and we woke up to this view. Just look at the view, it's so amazing. It's a breathtaking view. And now we are having breakfast, which I'll be showing you. Like this is the Maggie, and there's also paratha, there's also tea, and omelette on demand. So let's eat and see how is it. Simple but tasty. Was hungry from yesterday, so yeah. It's so cold out here in Kheerganga, and this is the perfect dish we would want here. Fast, easy to cook, easy to digest, I would say. So now we will finish off our breakfast, and then we'll be again trekking to the traveler, which will again take us like 5 hours, I guess, because we'll be trekking downstairs, and then we will be leaving for Kasol and thereafter to Delhi. So yeah, let's continue.